First job of the day. It's home. What's up, guys? This is going to be kind of a relatively short video, but powerful for the guys that are just starting out in this business and have a limited budget, which you should, because you should be not going out buying all the high-end equipment before you actually start getting that phone ring and start making money, every month. When I say every month, it's a good idea to evaluate it monthly instead of daily or weekly, because you can have a slow week and then you can have a real busy week the next week. All right, so kind of evaluating your profits by the month is really smart, and it helps you to be not so stressed during the month when it starts to slow down a little bit. But for the guys, again, that are on a limited budget, I really recommend it to get these two items right here. This is a drill, a cordless drill. This is Ryobi, but you can get them a regular off-brand or different brand for, probably $30. And then you get the attachment. You can get those off of Amazon. That's going to be great for the stairs. So when I pre-spray, I go over the stairs. So you want to cut the corner on stairs. You make sure you get some good agitation, and you're going to have better results. And then for the guys that don't have a mechanical agitation machine, like a CRB, multi-wash, something like that with counter-rotating brushes that are picking up pet hairs and all that stuff. So that's a little obstacle that you guys may run across. But there is a rake out there that is actually meant for pet hair and stuff like that. You can get, all right, and it'll help you to get as much of that pet hair out as possible. But just make sure you have a good thorough vacuum. It's very important in carpet cleaning anyway. If you don't have a CRB, make sure you do a very thorough vacuum. But just to agitate areas, walkways like this right here, sometimes I'll just break this out. This you can get at Lowe's for like $14. Okay, it's kind of labeled as a broom scrubber, I guess what you call it. This is a Rubbermaid brand, I believe. But you just kind of go through and hit the areas that need it. All right, and this area, as you can tell, is pretty well maintained. This is a multi-million-dollar home, and it's a client that's actually selling it, and was very stern on telling the realtor to use us because they love us. So appreciative for that. So although my prices have went up since then, I didn't raise the price. So yeah, just going around like this. Now, if you got a place that is really a rat nasty, hey, this will work. Go through there, scrub, do your agitation, and extract. So really, guys, a lot of guys are going out there buying all the high-end equipment from the get-go. Before they're even getting that phone ring, before they even got the business really built, which that's what I really push in my course, How to Start a Carpet Cleaning Business 101. Well, starting the Carpet Cleaning Business 101 is building your business first. Before you go invest in all this high-end equipment, build your business first. Make sure you can get it to where you can get that phone ring before you start maybe putting stuff on credit and stuff like that. So yeah, guys. Literally, what, $50? You can have the set at $75, and this will get you started. All right, and then you can move up to something like this. This is not even really meant as a CRB, but we use it as a CRB. I got brush scrubs in there, or carpet brushes in there. So we do all of our pre-scrubbing with that machine most of the time. Then I got the Powerfly multi-wash for that also. Yeah, so I hope you guys got a little bit out of this one. The guys that needed it, I bet they did. All right. Little investment. Got a rug from Lowe's. Had a local screen printer. Just put that on the corner. Goes a long ways, really. Makes you look professional, right? So. Dark in here and as light as I can get it. But when you clean as good as me, you can clean with the lights off. I guess that makes me Batman, right? Shift cam. Now I've seen this forever on Facebook ads, and I finally went ahead and got it. Alright guys, so I only charged for 50 bucks on this job. Check it out guys. When I first quoted this job, I actually did the job. You know, the first time was a couple years back, and I was just dialing in my prices. Now I would have charged 100 bucks to do this, right? Without doing the phrase. Okay, already tested it, made sure if it was color, it wasn't gonna bleed or anything like that. And yeah, so very easy clean as you see. And plus, like I said, I'm taking care of. What are you doing? Who are you?
Putting things away.
As you could tell, being, you know, it's the last time you're using us, and pretty much referred us to a real estate agent. Hopefully the real estate agent likes our work and she starts using me. So, all right guys, that's it for this one. We're gonna wrap it up. We gotta go back to Paso and knock out another one.
Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Days are getting harder every day, making more money, but there's more I gotta pay. Every day I wake up to the same thing, thinking things will change for the better, but they don't, man.